What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are working on the Honda because it is down. The Honda Accord, as you can, they fucking pissed itself. The coolant is kind of acting dumb. It's leaking. So I had already changed the thermostat, and then the pipe was good, but it's not this one. It's the one underneath it. It's that one back there. So we're gonna take off the air box and then get access to it and see. I was coming home and then I just hear a sss, and then my engine bay started smoking because of the temperature and all that. So, but we're gonna do it real quick. Yeah, I gotta get that done. That way I can get back to driving this thing because I really like driving it. And then also too, yeah, we're gonna throw on the suspension. Not the suspension, sorry. The wheels pretty soon. So stay tuned for that. We're just gonna get rear camber arms, maybe some front camber arms too, but we're gonna get those two. And then yeah, we're gonna sand it, man, because we're trying to make this thing look nice. Get it all done and then maybe paint it. Alright guys, let's get to it. Alright guys, so we had to remove the distributor. That's just two 12 mils, right? That go into the side right here. You can see the first hole. And then the other hole's right there. I get an extension. I remove the intake. And yeah, it's two clamps that hold this little pipe right here. And now I'm just gonna finagle it through, take it to the AutoZone and get it a new one, because this one is torn. You can tell it's the problem too, because like, look at that. There it is right there, the culprit that was making it piss all over the place. But yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna button it up after I get back. We're taking the motherfucking Acura. For those of you guys who know, we just put on the, what's it called? The front grille too, so it looks nice. But yeah, man, it's too nice not to show you while I walk with this stupid pipe. Last time I did it, the car wasn't washed, but it's washed now, alright? It's washed now, and then pour this fucking bullshit out right here. But look, man, look at that thing. It's clean and damn, look at that. Yeah, fuck with it. Anyways, alright, off to AutoZone. See you guys in a bit. Alright, we're back. We got a little pipe thingamabob. So this side will go right there, and then the other side will go here. Don't forget your two little clamps, and then distributors back up, reconnect everything, and we're good. So I'm gonna put it all together, turn it on, fill it with some coolant, and hopefully it doesn't blow. So catch you guys in a sec. Alright guys, so everything's back and buttoned up, and we checked the coolant levels. The expansion tank was empty, and so I assume that this is also empty too. So before we start it, I'm just gonna put some coolant in. I'm already out, so whatever's left is left. And I'll probably just swing by the AutoZone and fill it up later. But yeah, I'm gonna just empty this bottle, and then from there, hopefully everything goes well. Look at that, dang. And I just put coolant in because of the thermostat was leaking. So, oh, that's all you get, bitch. Guys, just kidding, we're back. So we waited another day to go get some more antifreeze, so that way we can just, you know, not drive the car while it's underfilled. So what we're gonna do right now is just go ahead and fill it up before we get started. Bruh. That's why I only do it with one hand. Anyways, we're gonna fill it up till it gets in there, and then we're gonna go ahead and start it. We also have our bleeder as well, cracked open. For those of you guys who don't know, it is a 12 millimeter. So what we're doing is we're cracking that little nipple back there, and then we're filling this up until there's no mas until it comes all the way up, and then we're gonna turn on the car and wait till the fans kick on. That way the coolant can be recirculated through the entire system. I'm using 2 bottles because it makes pouring easier and I don't want to make a big ass mess. And as you guys saw, I failed terribly. I'm gonna fail terribly right now too. But yeah, there's more control. A lot more control. I'm doing single versus one filled bottle. I'm gonna make a mess anywhere, but there we go. So it's going. It's almost there. I'm just bringing it up until it goes all the way out. And I'll turn on the car. That's just about there. Look at that. The second time I had to do this. Obviously, it's not going to come out just yet because it's not being circulated, but still, we're doing the thing. So, all right, there we go. Here's that pretty color. Oh, I heard something. I heard something. There it is. Okay, yep, now it's coming out the top. So now we know it's full. Plug this down real quick. Alright, so it was already getting full and it was coming out. I heard the noise, so now that that's there, let me just top this off and turn it on right now. Get rid of all the bubbles. Okay, cool. So there you go. And we're gonna just turn it on and let the car run now. Hopefully it doesn't fucking blow up on me, man. And hopefully there's no leaks. Cause I'll be sad. This is gonna be the second time I have to do this bullshit, and coolant ain't cheap, bro. Alright. Cool. Car's on. Come around. Let's see. No shaky idle. Idle is high because it's a cold start. So now we're gonna come in here and make sure there's no leaks. Car's not really shaking. We're good to go. Now we just let it sit for a bit. Watch for the bubbles, and then take it out for a drive. You're out. See you later. You can see there's no bubbles yet, but I'm gonna put this in here. We're just gonna test it. Yeah, when there's bubbles coming out and stuff like that, air is trying to escape that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna leave it on until that goes off. Gee, look at the other poor guy. Damn, look at that. Ew. So that's my younger brother. You can see his DRLs. What's going on, kid? You got the setup. We don't have the setup yet. Anyways, gonna go back in here, turn on the AC, and then yeah, we'll let it run. Cool. Wait till that warms up and it circulates through the whole thing. But yeah, for this car, this is a car that I bought him for his college graduation. I mean, his high school graduation for college. And yeah, he's done a lot with it. What's up, kid?
What up?
Hootie hootie. Say hi to the channel.
What up, y'all?
So you already got the sparkles in. You got the DRLs. This is what we're gonna do to the car, right? You got that spoiler in the back. You guys heading out?
Yeah.
All right, kid, take it easy. So yeah, you got little things done here, there. You got that Grady Evo 2 exhaust. Listen to that thing. Nice and low. That's what we're gonna do to this car, man. But right now we're taking care of this bullshit. So, uh-oh, I see coolant on the floor. That could be when I just bled it, but we'll see right now. Yeah, it's probably from when I bled it, but. So it stopped. Right, there's no bubbles in it. That was just created just now. That's not that's not from it, but yeah, we're good. So I'm gonna turn it turn it to the other side, take it out, and we should be good to go. Yeah, that's how you do it, guys. Alright, anyways, catch you guys on the flip side.